It's Tuesday, February the 21st. I had a question on the, or a comment on the YouTube thing about making the emblems, that some of the emblems are metal and chrome instead of painted just straight gold. So I made the emblem. I still got to sand it out and trim it out. That I was going to do chrome just to see what it'd do. But for a test, I just got regular plastic spoons, and I'm going to put a base coat of the Wicked 018 Wicked Gloss Black from Createx Colors. I'm going to put the base coat of black down on both spoons. I'm going to use 2 spoons because one I'm going to put with the Wicked Colors 0357 Quicksilver, and the Inspire airbrush paint chrome. I'm going to do the other spoon with that and try to see which one looks like real chrome. So these spoons are pretty close to the white base of the emblems I made to test out, but I'm going to test it on the spoon and see which one has the most shine. Alright, let's spray them up. Alright, I'm going to use my Pache Talon. It's got a 6.6 tip in it. Do the base coat. One light coat there. Light coat there. Let that flash out and then put another coat. Alright, got 3 coats of black on each of the spoons. They're pretty shiny. And these just the plain spoons, no paint, no sanding. I just want to see what that'll look like. So I'm going to put the Inspire Chrome in the siphon fed Talon airbrush. And I'm going to put the Wicked Colors Quicksilver in my gravity fed. Alright, let me get some paint mixed up and get started. Okay, they say just a quick dusting. And it needs, I got the air pressure turned up. Alright, that's one on that. One on that. Alright, that's the Quicksilver. Let that flash for about 10 minutes and see what happens. Now, the Inspire Chrome. Just quick dusting. Light coat. Okay. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to keep building it up, and then I'll come back and show you after I build it up some. Okay. This is the one done with the Wicked Black and the Wicked Color Quicksilver. It's got a pretty good shine, and you can see a reflection. So I believe that'll work pretty good for emblem. And this is the one done with the Wicked Black with the Inspire Chrome. And again, this got a pretty good shine. And you can see the reflection with it. Both of these work pretty good. And I believe they'll work good to make a emblem look chrome. This is right at, to get it here and everything, be right at $20 for the Wicked Color 357 Quicksilver. This Inspire airbrush paint chrome, and it is about $40 to get it to the house. So, but either one will work good to make the emblem look like it's chrome. Alright, from back here, it looks pretty decent. Next to real chrome. It'll work for an emblem, I think. give you the effect anyway. Alright, I did put some clear on it, put a couple coats of clear, and it looks pretty good. Especially if you're doing an emblem you can't find, that would pass. Okay, now let's do an actual emblem that I made. And the test on this plain spoons, it didn't turn out all that great, so scratch that idea. But this is the emblem that I made, poured out of the same resin stuff. But let's see how it'll work on the actual emblem, how chrome it'll look. I did Scotch-Brite it a couple of times to get a little bit of tooth on it, so to hold the paint. Starting out with the Wicked Colors W018 Wicked Gloss Black. We'll put 3 coats on it. Alright, what I do is just try to get the edges first. Get it all in these little cracks. And as that's doing that, it's getting some on the top side. But fill in all these little cracks. Okay, got 3 coats of black. Now I'm going to put some Inspired Chrome on this one. They said light dusting. That's light right there. Let that dry and then put another coat. Alright, another light dusting. Let that sit. On the other coats, I was trying to get around all the edges. Make sure I had some on the edges. This coat here, I'm going to go across the top. Let it dust on top. Alright. Let that sit and dry, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, the one on top is the 65-year-old emblem. The one on the bottom, the one I just made and painted with the Inspired Chrome. Only thing I got to do now is clear coat it, but they said to use a 2K clear, but I'm not sure if I'm cleared or not, because I just made it just to make it. But I don't know, I'll decide later what clear I'm gonna put. But that is it.